In this video, I will show you how to view your YouTube watch history. To get started, what you want to do is come across to youtube.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, if you come over to the left-hand side, you should see a menu like this. If not, just click onto the three lines up here to expand the menu. Once you've done that, come down to the Use section where you're going to find the option for history. Give that a click and that's going to take you to your watch history page. From here, you can find your entire YouTube watch history, which is going to be organized by date as well. So if there is a particular video you've watched in the past, you can scroll through and find it from your watch history here. You can also do things like clear or pause your watch history. And what you can do, if you come to the video that you want to use, you can click onto the three dots and you can share this or download it or individually remove from watch history. And if you want to view that video again, just simply click onto it and that's going to allow you to view that video. So that's how to view YouTube watch history. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.